Okay, so the programs we've written so far have been just printing things out, and in this video we'll be making them take input from the user. So the simple programs we'll write will be getting. So far the programs we've been writing have not been interacting with the user at all. We haven't gotten any input from the user, and in this video we shall fix that. So Python has an inbuilt function called the input function. Yeah, and that function takes input from the user. It takes as an argument, an optional argument, a prompt that you would like to present to the user, asking them for the information that you require. And the input, it returns a value which is stored in a variable that you define. So for example, this line right here is asking the user for the name, and it's storing the return value in a variable name. Now in the next line prints hello, then the name. It concatenates the string hello with the value in the name. Now we shall try to create that in a Python interpreter. Name equals input, and your name. Okay, my name, and my name, I'm giving my name. So I'll print hello, name. To print hello, my name. You can also ask for integer input from the user. Now I'll talk about why I'm wrapping this input in the int function. So the input built-in function by default returns a string, but then there's going to be times when you like to carry out some arithmetic operations with the input you receive from the user. So for example, I'll try getting the age from the user, and I'll try to carry out some arithmetic operations with it without doing any conversions. Okay, so age equals input enter your age. Now enter my age 56. Now try to add some 5 years to my age, make me around 61. But that won't work. Why? Strings don't support addition, they support concatenation, and concatenation needs for both operands to be strings. This here is an integer and this is a string, and that's why we are saying you cannot concatenate a string to an integer. Now how do we fix that? We convert that return value to an integer. So we'll run the program again, just enter on the line of code. I'll put in my age 56. I'll try adding 5 to it again, and I'm successfully 61. Cool. Okay, so we have our first interactive program. It asks for the name and asks for the age, and it can convert a string to an integer. Sometimes you could convert that to a float, depending on what program you're writing. So with that, we are ready to look further into our programs that deal with input and output. In the next video, we'll look at operators, and we can start doing some calculations with the code we write. Now, try extending this program and maybe make it calculate how old someone will be in 5 years or something like that. Something more interesting than just printing out useless values. If you have any comments, please leave those in the comment section. If you like the video, smash the like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe if you found that video helpful, and see you in the next one. Bye.